Hey, what's up, hook holder? So this is very urgent update, my friends, for all hook holder, because hook is completely fails now. You can see at this time 25.47% they fails down just and only in the last 24 hours, my friend. You can see here, and the highest point you can see at this time 0.001 the price hit now, and lowest as you can see here, my friends, 0. Their price is also come to 0, my friends. So absolutely very urgent update. What's the prediction to upcoming times? They moving upward or they fails down more and more? And what's the target, my friend, of 2022? And 2022, can they will reach, my friends, $1 USD they hit now or not? Absolutely, the video is going very special. Kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friend, if you consider, my friend, the chart result this time, absolutely 3 days ago, my friends, today starting moving upward. Definitely from last 3 days they are go in the moon. You can see the last 7 days chart is on the screen, especially the last 3 days. If you can see, my friend, this time unbelievable change occurred now, my friend. This time, if you can see, my friend, they completely starting moving upward. So this is the main reason is that, my friend, to especially the people starting investing now. And every cryptocurrency in the start of month very badly fails now. So but the second week, my friend, of this of the month, they starting moving upward like a rocket. So this time you can see here hook is absolutely unbelievable jump occurred now. But after a jump, my friends, why they fails down? You can see 27.36 people of time, you can see the person they fails down. So it's mean, my friends, to after a very big jump, my friends, they fails down. And every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation, my friends, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fail, my friends, they take a good jump. So this is the circulation style, my friend, of all cryptocurrencies moving in this circulation. So kindly, my brother, don't sell it. It does not mean, my friends, you starting selling. Absolutely, I hope, my friends, after this pills they take a very good jump. So the good time is soon, my friend. And out of 2025, if we check, my friends, this speed of this coin, my friend, exactly, my friend, as in upcoming time, if they're moving upward, then definitely, my friend, I hope they can hit half $1 in 2022. Especially it's possible in August, but definitely you can see this time they fails down, so we cannot say something, my friends, so they can hit $1 USD. But let's see, my friends, so what's the upcoming updates. Kindly you just subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Alright, so don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thank you so much for everyone. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.